Hey, Spot. How you doing, buddy? He's my one three-legged buddy. He's a good boy. He's a good puppy. Yes, he is. He's the master of this house where I'm doing the compound. Look, I'm bringing this alive. This is one of this old house videos. Look how wide I'm going with the seams. Only because I have to. Otherwise, you're gonna see the work. I'm here to do some professional work. You can see where it's dark. That's where I'm re-hitting it again. And again, this room is 8'6", so it has 6 inches of work on top. So that's kind of blended in. But you'll see, getting it ready. I already started doing a couple spots on the ceiling. You can see where it's brighter to where it's not bright. I'm gonna start working on that here once I put another tray on the walls. Until next time, Spot's with us. He's a good boy. He is a good boy.